Here's how to fix the ear speaker not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to make a call and you can't hear anything out of the speaker at the very top, let's head into your settings and change a few things. Now, once we're in here, we're going to scroll down and right under General, we're going to tap on Accessibility. There are a couple things in here that you might want to toggle on or off. Let's scroll down and we're going to go to Audio and Visual here. So tap on Audio and Visual. And there are a couple things to look out for. Now, if I scroll down, you'll be able to see some things like the balance. Now, if the balance is all the way to the right or all the way to the left, essentially this means only one speaker will work, and sometimes this makes the audio really quiet. So make sure that is in the very center here. And then on top of that, you can see add voice isolation and mono audio. If mono audio is turned on, again, it reduces your iPhone's ability to play the sound as loud as possible and as clear as possible. So make sure all of those are turned off. But let's also go back here, and then we're still in accessibility. Let's scroll up, and we're going to tap on touch here. Now from here, let's scroll down because you can see call audio routing. So tap on that. And if this is set to Bluetooth headset or automatic, sometimes it will connect to a headphones nearby or speakers nearby or even a car. And you don't necessarily know. That's why you can't hear it at the very top because it's just audio routing to somewhere else. So you can choose to audio route it to a speaker if you wanted the speaker phone, or you can set it to automatic, but I don't recommend Bluetooth headset. Now, the next thing I would recommend doing is let's go all the way back out of here to the very beginning, and let's tap on Bluetooth and turn this off. Again, your phone might be connected to a Bluetooth speaker, headphones, etc. So just turn this off so that you know all of the audio is being routed to your iPhone itself. The next thing I would recommend doing is you can see at the very top is the actual speaker there. It's fairly small, but it sometimes gets dust or lint in there. So I would recommend getting a toothpick and very gently kind of moving it around, making sure that there's no issues with any debris in there. If you have an iPhone case or screen cover and it is covering that speaker, that's a huge culprit. Of course, if you apply a screen cover and it's covering that actual speaker, everything will be muffled. So you might want to remove the screen protector, remove your case, and clean out at the very top there. Now, after we've done that, let's go back into our settings because we'll do a couple other things. Let's go back here to the beginning and we'll tap on General and then Software Update. Now, you'd be surprised how many times just updating your iPhone and restarting it fixes a lot of bugs and glitches on your iPhone itself. So just restart your iPhone. Again, that will a lot of times fix if there's bugs or glitches in that earpiece or the ear speaker. After you've done that, let's go back here and we'll tap on transfer or reset. Again, this is at the very bottom of the general settings, and we'll tap transfer or reset and then reset. Now you'll be able to see at the very top, let's hit reset all settings and enter the passcode. This won't delete your data, but it'll bring all of the settings on your iPhone back to factory default. Again, a lot of times fixing issues with that speaker at the very top. After you go through all of these steps, it should be working, but if it's still not working, I would recommend taking it into an Apple store or just going to Google and typing Apple support, and then going through the process of having Apple run some diagnostics on your iPhone to see if there's a physical hardware issue with your speakers themselves. Maybe they need to be replaced or fixed. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.